Good morning to all. Welcome back to social science class. Today we are going to take a new topic. In the previous class we have started our block 5. What is the name of the block 5? What is the name of block 5? Yes, neighborhood and school. Block 5, neighborhood and school. Neighborhood and school. Okay, and we have completed 2 lessons from this block, neighborhood pupil and places in the neighborhood. Today we will learn about the important people who help in different ways. Important people, some important people in neighborhood. Today we will learn some important people in neighborhood. So our aim is to recognize the role of different people in neighborhood. The role of different people in neighborhood. So our third lesson is neighborhood, pupil in neighborhood. Our third lesson is pupil in neighborhood. Pupil in neighborhood. So our keywords: neighborhood, then pupil. Okay? Okay, listen. Who are the people in your neighborhood apart from your neighbors? Some people are in our neighborhood, they are neighbors. Who are the other people? That people doing different things and they help us in different ways. Isn't it? Yes. Who are the people in your neighborhood apart your neighbors? Who are they? Yes, who are they? Different people are there, they are doing different things and they help us in different ways. Okay, all of you take, I will give an activity. All of you take your notebook and draw a column like this. Listen, pupil in neighborhood, pupil in neighborhood, neighborhood. In the next column you have to write what do they do. What do they do? Okay, I will show you some pictures. You have to look the pictures. Okay, look at the pictures I given here. All of you look at the picture and complete this table. Pupil in neighborhood and what do they do? That means look at the picture and find out who are the pupil. You can write here and what do they do, write in the second column. All of you do that. Write it in your notebook. Okay. Okay. Who are the pupil in this picture? Can you identify this pupil? Who are these people in the picture? Yes, who are they? Yes, it's very simple. Who are they? Yes, very good. Policeman. The first one, policeman. Then, what is the next picture? Yes, a teacher. A teacher. Then, yes, doctor. Very good. Doctor. Then, what is the next picture? Who is in the next picture? Yes, very good. Postman. So, policeman, teacher, doctor, postman, these are some important people in our neighborhood. They are doing different things and they help us in different ways. Is it right? Yes. How do they help us or what do they do? First we can take policeman. How a policeman help us or what he do? Yes, policeman protect us from robbers. Protect us from robbers. Robbers. Then second one, teacher. What do they do? A teacher? Yes. What's your answer? Yes, very good. Teacher teaches the student. Teaches student. They help us to study. They help us to learn new things. Then doctor. What a doctor doing in our neighborhood? Yes, doctor treat us. Treat us when we are sick. When we are sick. Okay, next last one, postman. What they do? Postman deliver the letter. Postman deliver letter. Okay, these are some important people in our neighborhood. They are doing different things in our neighborhood and it is helpful to us. These people, neighborhood people, make our lives easy and comfortable. So here, policeman, our doctor, teacher, and postman. These are, you have to write the spelling of this keywords: neighborhood, pupil, policeman, doctor and teacher. These are the important people who are living in our neighborhood and they help us in different way. They make our lives comfortable and easier. Understand? So, I will ask one question to you. Apart from these people, is there any other people in neighborhood? They are doing different things. Can you say some other people there who help us? Can you say some other people in our neighborhood who help us in different ways apart from these people? These are the most important people in our neighborhood. Which are the other people? Yes, that we have discussed in the first lesson. Who are they? Yes, milkman. Then, yes, shopkeeper, vegetable seller. Yes, a guard. Very good. Then, milkman we have already told. Then, newspaper man. A sweeper or garbage collector. Then gardener, very good. Then any other people? Yes, plumber, cobbler, barber. These are some other people who help us in different ways. For example, that we have discussed a policeman, a sweeper and a garbage collector who clean our surroundings. Okay. Then a milkman supplies, milkman, shopkeeper, a vegetable seller. They provide some essential things to us. Milk, vegetable and some food items we get from this shop. So these people also help us to get our essential things. Then some other people also, the God protect our house or God protect our neighborhood. Then who are the other people? Gardener protect our plants, watering the plants. Our neighborhood place is very beautiful. Gardener make our neighborhood beautiful. Then why? I will ask one more question to you. These are some important people and some other people also like milkman, then vegetable seller, shopkeeper and cobbler, electrician. There are some other people also help us in different way. Why do different people doing different things? What if they did the same thing? Is it possible? No. Why? Why? Everyone in our neighborhood has a responsibility towards our neighborhood. Every person living in the neighborhood has a responsibility towards the neighborhood. A doctor may know how to treat a sick person, isn't it? Yes, a doctor may know how to treat a sick person, but he may not know how to fix a fan, how to cut a hair, how to make furnitures, isn't it? Another example, a teacher may know how to teach children, but teacher may not know how to treat a sick person. And teacher may not know how to make a furniture and how to cut the hair and how to make shoes, how to repair fans and electric equipments. So we need different people for different needs. We would need different people to get our different needs. So everyone in the neighborhood has different, they are doing different things in our neighborhood. It is help us in different ways. So these all people are important in our neighborhood. Okay, understand? So what we have discussed in this lesson, in the third lesson we have discussed the people in the neighborhood. There are different types of people, they are doing different things and they are helping us in different ways, but some people are most important people. They are policeman, teacher, doctor, postman. They are helping, they are doing different things in our neighborhood, like policeman protect us from robbers and teacher teaches the students and treat us, doctor treat us when we are sick and postman deliver the letters. So every neighborhood people help us in different ways. Apart from this neighborhood people, we have some more neighborhood people which are milkman, gardener, then a guard, then shopkeeper, vegetable seller, electrician, barber, cobbler. These all are needed. These are most important. Some other people also are there. It depends upon our needs. Understand? One person can't do these all things. Everyone in our neighborhood has different responsibility towards the neighborhood. Okay, a doctor may know how to treat the people who are sick, but may not know how to repair an electric equipment like fan, and how to teach a student, and how to make furniture like that. Understand? So I hope you clear this lesson. Then we are going to discuss our workbook, Pupil in the Neighborhood. It's very simple. Pupil in the neighborhood picture is given here. Then who are they? You can write here who is this in the picture and what do they do. The next column you have to do what do they do. That I have written here, what do they do. Then what if they were not there? If a doctor is not there, what would happen? What would happen? We can't consult a doctor when we are sick. There is no policeman. What would happen? We are not safe. Like that, you have to write sweeper and milkman, then a policeman. If they are not there, what would happen in our neighborhood? Okay, clear. I hope you clear it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.